When we think of the world's elite, we often think they have it all. Multiple homes, dream vacations, exotic cars, anything and everything that money can buy. But did you know that the third richest man in the world currently lives in a 400 square foot mobile housing unit in a coastal village in Texas? Yes, Elon Musk currently lives in a $50,000 20 by 20 mobile housing unit in Boca Chica, Texas, built by a company called Boxabl. But why would Musk put aside luxurious living to live in this type of home? Is this connected to his ambitious plans to colonize Mars? And if so, how? Welcome to our video today, where we'll explore Elon Musk's small but practical home in Boca Chica, complete with a look into the company that makes these homes and some hints at why Elon Musk is living in one of them. Don't forget to like this video if you like our content and would like to see more videos like it. Let's get right to it. On June 9th, 2021, a Twitter user directly asked Musk if he followed through on his promise and sold everything to downsize his life and focus on Mars to make us a multi-planetary. In typical Musk fashion, Musk actually replied and said, "Yeah, sold my houses, except for one in Bay Area that's rented out for events. Working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla and protecting future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX." This may seem entirely bizarre to someone who only recently learned of Musk's plans and ambitions, but it is far from the first time he's made such an announcement. Musk has stated several times that he plans to sell most of his possessions, including all of his houses, to fund a colony on Mars. And his recent tweet further backed up his words. But that raises the question, if Musk has sold all of his properties and only has one left that he rents out for events, where is he currently residing? We know that he often sleeps in his gigafactories, but a more permanent solution is in place as well. You might reasonably conclude that he purchased a nice home in or around Austin with all the money. However, that is not the case. Musk further tweeted on June 9th, 2021, that "My primary home is literally a roughly $50,000 house in Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though." I mean, who'd have guessed? Elon Musk, the billionaire father of 7 children, lives in a home that is just 400 square feet. This is about the same as the average size of a 2-car garage in North America. And it looks like Musk is indeed having a great time living modestly in Boca Chica. Musk clearly seems to be living in much the same way as his EV company's namesake, Nikola Tesla, did when he said, "Money does not represent such a value as men have placed upon it. All of my money has been invested into experiments in which I have made new discoveries enabling mankind to have a little easier life." Musk's housing unit in Starbase is known as the Boxabl Casita, a foldable, prefabricated property designed for a single-day installation and maximum affordability. Musk's house is a 20 by 20 unit with a price tag of $50,000, which is significantly cheaper than most of Tesla's cars. These units are extremely durable, as they are constructed of steel, EPS foam, and concrete panels, providing a long-lasting structure that is bug, water, fire, wind, and mold resistant. Because the Boxabl does not use any wood in its construction, it will be particularly resilient against harsh living conditions such as those one might expect to find on Mars. Rumors about Elon Musk's Boxabl home emerged back in November 2020, when Boxabl posted a promotional video from inside one of its units in Boca Chica, Texas. While emphasizing the benefits of owning a prefabricated home, at the end of the video, Boxabl mentioned that the specific unit was constructed for a special Boca Chica client. What gave it away, though, was the Falcon 9 poster pasted on the unit's door. This home was indeed for SpaceX's Elon Musk. The Casita is certainly a classic representation of Elon Musk. It is unique, practical, and interesting. And even more importantly, it might also go to space. Boxabl has published a video clip that shows a Casita unit being configured as a possible quarter for astronauts on Mars. So, if all goes well, Boxabl Casita may soon be in the space business with Elon Musk and SpaceX. Apart from its reasonable price point, the Casita is designed to be ready for easy delivery, owing to the fact that it folds up to 8.5 feet wide for easy shipping, and immediate use with appliances like a large fridge, microwave, washer and dryer, heating and air conditioning, and an ironing center. It is also more durable and weather-resistant than other similar units. The company says Boxabl buildings are more durable and energy efficient than traditional homes. They are built using a new construction method which makes them resistant to fire, floods, rot, pests, high winds, and more. Outside of the home costs, there are additional costs associated with this type of home building, including shipping, foundation construction, the cost of land, utilities hookups, and municipal or local permitting. But considering the potential applications for this type of structure, there's little wonder why Elon Musk himself has decided to test out the durability and functionality of these units. With ingenious engineering features and a lofty mission to address housing concerns like affordability, homelessness, disaster relief, and sustainability, it is easy to see why the Casita could be a model for future civilizations on Mars. Of course, for the Boxabl to be a real contender for the settlement of Mars and the Moon, it will need to be shipped there. Thankfully, an average Boxabl unit weighs only 8,000 to 12,000 pounds, which means that the Starship, with a payload fairing of 9 meters in diameter and 18 meters in height, could easily carry multiple Boxabl units on a single flight to Mars. What are your thoughts on the Boxabl? Do you think we'll ever see a Boxabl housing unit on Mars or the Moon? How do you think Musk plans to colonize Mars? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Until next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for all new videos coming up. We'll see you guys in the next one.